Hello everyone, I hope you're all hale and healthy. Today I'll be sharing different ways you can recycle plastic bottle caps. As you all know, plastic is not good for our health and environment, so we must figure out different ways we can recycle them without harming the environment. So here I'm sharing different ways you can recycle plastic bottle caps and turn them into something different which won't harm the environment. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss out the notification of our upcoming videos. Thank you. Goodbye.